Morning, folks.
Hope you're all okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're off on another little adventure, and today we are going to William Morris campsite, aren't we?
We are.
And it's one that's in Shropshire. Is that right, Shropshire?
Yeah, near Ludlow.
Near Ludlow. So we've never been before. We've been to one of their campsites before, and that was Shrewsbury, wasn't it?
Yes.
Oxenhall.
It was when we were, en route to Wales. Last August it was.
But we're just having a trip down to Ludlow, and then we'll have a little walk round the town. And hopefully the weather's good, because I know there's going to be winds and rain this week. Anyway, so...
Welcome to August.
Yeah, welcome to August. So... which way are we going then, Tony? Can you tell us?
It's mostly motorway, so it's down the M1, M42 at East Midlands Airport, then onto the M6, M5 towards Worcester Way, and then off the M5 near Kidderminster, and then probably about 20 miles to Ludlow from there.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm just hoping the M6 and the M42 and the M5 aren't their usual selves.
Yeah, because usually we have problems, don't we? But never mind, it is a Tuesday today. So we're not going Friday to Monday.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah,
the motorways are
it's a Tuesday clear. Because my daughter's off work at the moment, so we can go in the week. Anyway, there's little Arch. Hopefully you can see him then. Let me just tap the screen.
He's all set and ready to go.
Yeah, I think we can just
all
see him
buckled
there.
in.
It's all buckled up, aren't you, Archie?
Yeah.
So I'll come back to you in a little while.
Bye for now.
Bye. Well, everyone, I thought I'd just pop back on. We've had Archie poorly in the van. We couldn't stop because there was nowhere to pull in, so it doesn't sound very nice, but we had like diarrhea all over the front here. So eventually we found somewhere to stop and had to clear it all up. And we've now pulled in to a service station, and we're parked amongst the lorries, as you can see. And I've let Archie out with Tony to go for a wee, in case he wants to go to the loo again. And he goes, "Where's the stool?" We've finally lost it, everybody. I think we were that stressed with Archie being poorly that we've just left it behind. So now I'm going to struggle getting in and out the van on this break. Not to worry, unless I can find somewhere to go and get one. So hey ho. This has been a really good start, this holiday. Traffic build up on our first A614 journey. Then my daughter rings me up. She's got stuck in a garage. She got me there all day waiting for a car to be MOT'd. And she's got nobody to go and help her like we would normally. And then that. And then Archie. And then now we've lost the stool. So Tony comes back in the van. Aren't you, Tony?
You are.
Just telling everybody. You've lost the van. You've lost... It's a wonder we haven't lost the van. You've lost the stool.
It's going to be one of them holidays.
What a great start. Anyway, see you in a bit.
A big plank of something.
Hello again, everybody. Well, we've just stopped off at the services, as I said. We've started off again, and we've now hit an obstruction, and man on the motorway clearing on obstruction. And I think Tony says it's a plank, isn't it?
It was some sort of object.
Can't really see
like
what
a rolling road. So
yeah,
we're just about to enter the M6, which has been shut whilst a obstruction is cleared.
Oh dear. This, like things running threes, I think this is number 5 today. I think we might be moving. Yippee!
Might be moving.
What the obstruction was, can you see? It's very bizarre, isn't it, that whenever you come to these obstructions on the road, you never actually find out what the obstruction was. Anyway,
it's something that fell off
a lorry.
A lorry, yes.
Yeah. Okay, we're moving again. Well, we've arrived at our campsite at Ludlow, which is the Ludlow Touring Park, isn't it, Tony?
Yes,
We've pitched up, haven't we?
pitched up on number 97. We're just having a coffee and a tea.
Yep.
And we're
All
just
gone
looking
now.
at the bus timetables to Ludlow, which we'll visit tomorrow.
Yeah, and look how nice it is. Now got sunshine. It is a little bit breezy, so we won't be putting the
And it's
canopy
quite
up.
warm in the sun.
Yeah.
That's why I'm sat in the shade.
Yeah.
And it's a fully serviced pitch.
Just here is the electric point, and then you've got a tap there, and here we have got the drain pipe. Electric plugged into the van there. We've just put the hose pipe round there for now. Archie's sitting in the shade, bless him. Not 100%, are you, Archie? Bless him. A little more settled now we're here, aren't you?
Yeah.
Wasn't very well on the way,
No.
were you? Set up in here. It's a bit dirty now, the van is, after all that rain we had on the journey. No step. I'm going to struggle getting in and out here. I'll be all right for a bit. Hang on a minute. Oh, but then my knees will start to ache. Yep, so we're set up here. Tidy. Archie's following everywhere I go. Yeah, so tomorrow we're going to go on the bus, aren't we? to Ludlow, and we're going to have a look round Ludlow and see what's there. I think there is a castle, isn't there?
Yes.
Ludlow Castle.
Yeah, well, we'll tell you all about it tomorrow.
Yeah. We're going to catch a bus about, is it 11:05?
There's
Whoops.
one at 11:01.
Oh, 11:01.
Which arrives in Ludlow at 11:11. So it's a
Yeah, it's only 10
journey.
minutes. I mean, we
it's not far.
could walk it, but we have been told now that Archie can't walk that far. Archie got stuck. He's got wrapped around my leg.
So,
Yeah, Archie can't walk that far now. The vet said, you know, we said, you know, 2-mile walk, and he said, you can try, but you might find he'll just collapse in a heap. So we're not chancing it, are we? We're going to go on in the bus.
yeah, seeing as there's a bus available.
Yeah, go on the bus, and then Archie,
Because
what
he'll
are
be
you
walking
doing?
quite a bit around the town.
Yeah, when we get there, he'll be having a stroll around the town, won't you, Archie?
So that'll be good.
So,
Good leisurely exercise for
yeah,
him.
bless him.
Yeah.
But we've got to take care of him now, haven't we? So,
Yeah.
you know, we've got to be careful what we do. We've got to be sensible with him. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do, isn't it, tomorrow? Let's hope it does stay sunny. It does say it's going to be, doesn't
It's
it?
forecast dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, everybody, we'll come back to you in a bit, and then we'll show you around the campsite in a little while. So see you in a bit. Bye.